Hey everybody, Sheriff at Carbon USA, Central Indiana. Pretty loud, hard to hear. You know, right there's the machine. Right there's the hose. One hose, 1 hour. How we do it? Carbon USA. Might be a little hard to read here. How about that one? Matco Tools. Today we're helping our buddies, Matco Tools, big truck Regen it all the time. Giving them constant fit. We're going to help them out. If anybody needs help, keeping mechanics help working, Matco Tool guy. We're going to make sure he stays on the road. If we're lying, he's going to tell people. So everybody stay tuned and see what the Matco Tool man has to say about Carbon USA, Central Indiana. Everybody have a good day. Drive safe.